Not sure where to record customer payments? Using the AR payment module correctly helps you keep your customer accounts accurate in AutoCount. You can watch this video to understand it step by step.
Payment, still AR, so we go to receive payment. Now customer make payment. So every time customer make payment, you go to AR payment. Remember to update into a system. So press the new button and then select the customer name and then key in the payment date or the check date when they pay. So description here very good. You see the system put payment on account. Actually, you can put payment for which invoice number. It's up to you. You don't know how to put it, you just put payment on account. And payment method here is paid by CIMB. So I want to share with you, actually AutoCount you can make multiple payment instead of other system. Other system only can pay one payment method in one payment voucher. But AutoCount you can multiple payment in one single payment voucher. This is very powerful function in AutoCount. So you don't need to create two payment voucher. And cash you remove. And we continue with the CIMB bank account 2000, and this customer provide the check number RHB 123456. So this check RHB bank check we put deposit into our CIMB bank account. Payment amount is 2000, and this 2000 we knock off invoice number 1001. So outstanding is 3000 after knock off this 2000. So now you see very clear which invoice outstanding how much. That's why the objective of knock off is more transparent between you and your customer. Later we can show the format statement based on this knock off information. Let me show you later. After done, save. Then we continue with AP part. For AR part, before I proceed with AP, so I want to show you some additional column. So you just right click column, you pull out the credit note, create time, modify time, all these are very important. So debtor and last modified time, all this information. So I want to show you one additional one, unapplied amount. This unapplied amount is the one you forgot to offset or forgot to knock off. This column is very important, so you just pull out and then you right click, save layout, AR payment. Okay, save as AR payment. So next time when you open, then you will see the same screen. And also, before I proceed, so you see all these payment officer receipt you can preview, and then you can WhatsApp, send WhatsApp. Here got this WhatsApp button. So to your customer, if you don't want to print out. Of course, if you want to email, you just press the email button, or you want to fax, and we got this export function. So export to PDF, Excel format, image format, and so on. But the most convenient is WhatsApp. And still remember the previous chapter I got explained, if you key in the debtor maintenance there by putting the mobile numbers, and then here we automatically capture over here. So you just press the send button. So this system will look for your web browser to share out this over your WhatsApp. And this document we will keep for 60 days in our server. We will send URL is a link to your customer, and your customer have to download this official receipt within 60 days. After 60 days, you need to resend. Why we send link instead of the whole PDF? So sometimes PDF, the image resolution is very high, so sometimes it's not going to share out 100% to the customer. That's why we only share out the link.
Do you want to learn more about operating AutoCount? We have several ways to help you. If you want to learn AutoCount system more systematically, we have classroom training, online training, and one-to-one teaching. But if your schedule is packed, you can also choose our e-learning courses. As long as you have time, you can log into our website and learn the AutoCount system at your convenience. But if you are not sure which option suits you best, you can message me privately and I can give you some advice. Thank you, everyone.